A quick guide to the rules of apostrophes, English Essentials with Verbatum.ca. An apostrophe can combine two words to make one. This is called a contraction. Some common contractions: not, am, is, are, would, have. Apostrophes can be used to indicate possessions. We use the possessive apostrophe to show a possessive relationship between people or things. Never use an apostrophe to form a plural noun. When the noun is plural, the possessive apostrophe goes after the S. When a singular noun ends in S, most people add an apostrophe and another S. One of the biggest mistakes made by even native speakers is it's versus its. It's with no apostrophe is the possessive of it. The cat is eating its food. The car needs its tires changed. It's is a combination of two words, it and is. It's a beautiful day today. Don't eat that, it's poisonous. Here's some examples of how to say things correctly and the incorrect example. Don't worry, it's not hard. You're doing great. Verbatum.ca.